Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Grainy Pixel.
As you can see, we have Precomp 1 as a layer in the main comp. Within Precomp 1, there's Precomp 2, and inside Precomp 2, there's Precomp 3. It can be really tedious and time-consuming to manually unnest each layer into the main composition. So here's my magic script. Super Uncompose. Just click it, and boom.
If you like our video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates about designing related videos. So bye bye and have a nice day.